Extreme honour to be here to host the second premiere of Tommy, which we all know means that you weren't first on the list. We're very sorry about that. Darren, what are you doing? Last night we had the premiere of Tommy and went around the room and asked people what they thought. Some of the one words they came out with was confronting, evocative, powerful, thought-provoking, and a conversation and a piece of art that should have been done many, many years ago. Tonight, you may feel uncomfortable, you may want to cry, you may feel a bit solemn, or you may be one of those words that we mentioned. Tommy is all of those and so much more, and I'm sure there's a couple of the actors in the room tonight. Ari, who plays Tommy, Stephen, who plays the dad, is here tonight. I'm sure last night they had some choice words about how they felt about the experience as well. Before we do start, I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land of which we gather today and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging. And I would like to invite to the stage Nancy Bassett, Chairman of the Tobeloved Foundation. Nancy.
Thanks, Adam. Welcome everybody. Thank you for coming out tonight on a Monday night. Really appreciate your support. On behalf of the board of the Tobeloved Network, welcome to the Melbourne screening of Tommy, directed by Scott Dale and co-produced by Deb Morgan and Darren Mort, who are all here tonight. Firstly, as an elder of Ngāruahine, South Taranaki, New Zealand, I would like to acknowledge the Kulin people, the traditional custodians of the land on which this event is taking place, the Wurundjeri people, and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging, some of whom may be here tonight. Secondly, a big thank you to the Alex Theatre, to Alex, Alan and Charlotte, who have generously provided this beautiful cinema, the Alex Theatre, and their staff here tonight pro bono. Thank you, Alex. Welcome to David Southwick, MP, who I believe is coming tonight. Also, welcome to our official guest speakers for our Q&A forum after the screening of Tommy. We have Vince Papaleo, the child psychologist from Vince Papaleo and Associates, Angela Altavilla from Altavilla Family Law, Janine Mahoney, she's a specialist domestic and family violence consultant to state and federal government, and also a member of the Tobeloved Network board. Darren Mort will facilitate the Q&A forum for us. A very big welcome to our corporate sponsors. As you all understand, a production of any documentary or short film requires funding. So a big thank you to our corporate sponsors, our family wizard, Thexton Lawyers, Vince Papaleo and Associates, 5 Point Foundation, the AFC Australian Chapter, Morgan Legal, Berger Cordos, Malka, McPherson Cully, Margaret Fisk, and also the Family Peace Foundation, who commissioned the book Tommy and Tiger Terry that many of you may have already purchased or have read. This book has been adapted into the short film Tommy, which you're about to see. Without your valuable and generous support from our corporate sponsors, we would not have been able to complete this exciting project, Tommy. Welcome to the actors and the cast and crew of Tommy, who are here tonight with their family and friends. Finally, I'd like to thank my fellow board members, Anne Schuster, Janine Mahoney, Darren Mort, and of course our new inductees who are about to join us, Darren Selby and Deb Weiner. And also a particular thank you to Margie Hyland, who always steps up and gives us a hand at our events. Thank you all. So further ado, I'd like to pass you back to Adam. Thank you.
Thank you, Nancy. I'd now like to call to the stage some key players in the production. The director himself, Scott Dale, and producers Deb Morgan and Darren Mort.